Hey, with a channel name like Canal Life, I thought I'd finally do a video about my canal. So this is going to be kind of just a quick run through of my canal, and I don't know, hope you like it. All right, so that's it for the canal ride. So it's 2.4 miles exactly to get out. Really depends on the tide, but typically I'm running 5 to 8 miles an hour to get out. So I'll run some canal math right here. The canal is just a little bit long in the summertime. It is amazing though when you come in the evening and people are barbecuing outside and everybody's just kind of enjoying the canal life and just living in beautiful Southwest Florida. I love it. But it is hot in the summertime. I'd say for me personally, I wouldn't want to go any longer. But one thing about my canal is you saw that bridge I go under, that's Cape Coral Parkway. And while it's a bummer, it's done 2 things for me. It's kept me from buying a bigger boat, number 1. So maybe through the bridge, no problem.
little pucker there for a second. We're almost to high tide, still had 1.5 feet, so we're all clear for lunch.
So I'm a professional engineer and I measure things for a living, and I knew I could get through there, but it was still scary. And number 2, more importantly, when Hurricane Ian hit, it really served as a dam, and it knocked down some of the swell. I think the houses on the south side of the parkway had a lot more swell than we had. We had about 9 feet, and I'm at about 9 feet, 10 feet. So the water came right up to the level of the house. And every time I go under that bridge, I kind of give it a little bit of thanks, because I really think that tunnel that I go through, that bridge, saved me from a lot of work, maybe reflooring my house and doing a lot of sheetrocking and whatnot that a lot of people unfortunately had to do. That hurricane was a real bugger. So sure, it's 2.4 miles, but there are 2 advantages to it. And I gotta appreciate that when I'm feeling really hot coming in on a summer day. So anyway, that's I thought I'd shoot my canal. The channel's called Canal Life, and there it is. That's my canal. Hope you like it.